Hello everyone, welcome back to Dwina Stove. Today I will be making a traditional Indonesian snack called Putu Mayang. So if you like sweets, keep watching because I'm gonna show you how to make it. We're gonna cook using medium to low heat until simmering and all the sugar dissolves. Turn off the heat and set it aside. I'm dividing my batter into two because I'm going to add some food coloring, but this is totally optional. Pipe it out onto a baking paper, or you can use banana leaves if you have some. And now we're done. Get some putu mayang to a bowl, pour in the sweet gravy, and dig in. This is so good. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.